Mark 5 Transit came in for a welding assessment. Obviously all the battery and tray and everything was in, so we couldn't do a full welding assessment on it until we stripped down. So battery tray out, now we can see that not just the inner wheel arch, inner wing, the outer is gone, the wing is going, the headlights around, it's got a hole in it. Come to the passenger driver's side, sorry. This isn't even attached to anything anymore. It's just starting to go down there. It's gone just there. Oh, my finger's gone through. Oh, my finger's gone through. Oh, my finger's gone through. It's also gone all the way down there. So it needs wings coming off, which are obviously spot welded. May as well replace them for the price of it. Yeah, she's not looking too healthy. Oh, bearing in mind this had a clean MOT last year. Hi guys, Tech Tom at Dowleys. Following on from the Mark 5 Transit with Rusty, as you can see. We've just had the supply of all of the panels to repair it. So let's crack to it.